How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a custom template in Inkscape. Now, if you want to go ahead and get started, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the document properties, and you want to adjust this accordingly, making sure that your template is on the right format. So from there, just go ahead and design your template the way you want to. Let's say in my case, I'm going to be designing it this way, but once again, design it accordingly. Right after making your desired adjustments, we can then head over to the top corner of your screen, which is going to be file. And then there's going to be this save icon right here, which is the save template button. Here you then want to put your template name. Let's say that this is going to be my business card. Now this is only an example. Of course, it's not my actual business card. In here you want to type your author, your description, and your keywords. Click on save, and basically from there you're good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.